Drawstation
Teach Pokemon to understand the power that's inside.
Pikachu!
Hello everyone, it's me again, your host, Mr. Sean. Thank you very much for tuning in. Weighing in at 13 pounds and 1 foot and 4 inches tall is the electrically charged, ketchup-loving, sun-kissed fuzzball with godlike powers. Similar to the Asgardian Thor. Pikachu, I choose you. This undeniable success story of the Pokémon franchise is world renowned, but originally wasn't meant to be a mascot as Clefairy was supposedly chosen for the limelight. The little yellow static rodent has had the most vocalised appearances, starring in animated television shows and movies, trading card games, computer games, comic books and toys. An interesting and not so widely known fact is that Ash's Pikachu was named Jean-Luc in the manga. His evolutionary upheaval of cosmetic states vary, starting with Pichu, Pikachu, and then its final forms, Raichu and Alolan Raichu. His attacks are strong against water and flying types, but is weak against ground attacks. Mainly found in forests, you can identify between male and female Pikachu, as the females have dents at the end of their tails. While asleep, they can recharge their electric powers. And voila! Our drawing is done. Until next time, thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.